The 2025 Ford Mustang continues its legacy as an American muscle car icon, blending modern performance with classic styling. With its aggressive front fascia, chiseled body lines, and signature tri-bar LED taillights, the latest Mustang stays true to its heritage while incorporating contemporary design elements. The aerodynamically sculpted hood and larger grille improve airflow, enhancing both cooling and downforce for better high-speed stability. A variety of bold color options, including rapid red, grabber blue, and iconic silver, allow enthusiasts to personalize their Mustang to suit their style. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The base model is powered by a refined 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering around 330 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the iconic 5.0-liter Coyote V8 remains a staple in the GT trim, now pushing out approximately 500 horsepower. Performance is further enhanced by the available 6-speed manual transmission or the optional 10-speed automatic. Both tuned for optimal power delivery and efficiency, the Mustang's active exhaust system provides a thrilling auditory experience, with different modes to adjust the sound from subdued to aggressive. Driving dynamics have been significantly improved with a retuned suspension system, offering a balance between comfort and precision handling. The MagnaRide adaptive dampers, available on higher trims, adjust in real time to road conditions, delivering a smoother ride on highways while sharpening responsiveness during spirited driving. The Mustang's independent rear suspension ensures stability, reducing body roll and improving cornering performance. A new electronic limited slip differential further enhances traction, especially when launching from a standstill or navigating tight corners. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mustang is designed to provide a driver-centric experience with cutting-edge technology. A large 13.2-inch digital instrument cluster and an integrated 13.2-inch Sync 4 infotainment screen dominate the dashboard, offering seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates that keep the software fresh. Premium materials, including available leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching, elevate the interior ambiance. A redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel inspired by race cars adds to the Mustang's sporty feel, while customizable ambient lighting lets drivers set the mood. Advanced driver assistance features ensure that the Mustang remains safe without compromising its raw performance. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Track enthusiasts will appreciate the performance package, which includes upgraded Brembo brakes, larger wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, and a unique aerodynamic kit for increased downforce. For those craving even more excitement, the Mustang Dark Horse model delivers track-focused enhancements with an upgraded version of the 5.0-liter V8, producing over 500 horsepower. The Dark Horse features aggressive styling cues, a reinforced chassis, and improved cooling systems to handle extreme driving conditions. Exclusive exterior colors such as Blue Ember set this model apart, making it one of the most visually striking Mustangs in the lineup. With its blend of heritage, innovation, and raw power, the 2025 Ford Mustang continues to captivate driving enthusiasts. Whether it's a daily driver or a weekend track machine, this Mustang delivers an exhilarating experience with every mile.